Yala. Miss.
Let's do this.
Oh. If I name it, if I get one, I should call him Chewy. I'm gonna get down as closest. Oh, Chewy is it? See, I told you, it's just a waste. You need a teddy bear. Alright.
One more time.
You give a time on this? Oh, fuck.
8 seconds.
Huh? You're bugging. My man Chewy, yes, you're tripping balls. You're so bugging.
Excuse me.
Chinato.
Lay off.
It's my ball. Give me. Give me. Wojo, look at this. Bullshit. What did it suck to?
Dude, my ball.
I'm coming, Chewy.
Why me?
Why me? What happened?
It's stuck on the crane, you got it.
What is this? Drop. Just drop, baby. Look at this. Where? Wait. You can't. I guess I gotta put another $1 in.
No, wait. Tell them. Go tell them.
No.
Oh, they can't open it. You have a quarter?
Yeah, I have a quarter.
So you can do 50 cents.
And then you can play again.
Yeah.
Over here.
What if I put it back in?
I gotta get you. Oh, stop playing.
Oh, it will because it opens up for it.
No, wait. Let's see.
At least you got it on video.
Shut up. Hey, easy, Chewy. Press the red. Yes, Chewy, baby. Chewy's alive.
Don't you get to go again? Oh no.
Nah. Wait, do we?
Nah.
Wait, I think you did.
Andrew, the twins.
Got the twins. I got purple. I'm sorry.